Oh, mate, when I did this question, I got a bit carried away and I started actually trying to create these lists. And it can help with the first one to get a bit of a feel for what's going on. Let me just show you the process. So the first list would be 2 plus 3, and I left it like this so I can kind of match things up. You don't actually want to start writing down the numbers, I don't think, what they actually are equal to. 20 plus 3 and 20 plus 2. And then I did like the second one, third one, and so on. The thing is, we're doing it 2023 times, so you've got to be looking for some kind of like pattern to what is going on. And that can be best obtained by forgetting about the numbers actually and just writing down A, B, C as our starting numbers. Let's say that A is less than B, which is less than C. So the biggest difference would be C minus A. So now I'm going to get for my first application of change sum, I'm going to get B plus C, A plus C, and then A plus B. Now this one is clearly going to be the smallest because it's the two smallest ones added together, and this one's going to be the largest. So what we see now is that the biggest difference is going to be B plus C minus A plus B, which is going to become B plus C minus A minus B. It's going to be C minus A. And this is the crucial result. Okay, I'm not actually, I didn't do that straight away. I've got loads of crossed out things here. It seems so obvious now. Just look at like a general case of what happens to the biggest difference when you do the operation. And essentially it stays the same. Biggest difference stays the same under change sum. And you know what? Doesn't matter if we do it 2023 times or million times or one time. The biggest difference, whatever it is at the start, and in this question it's 18, it's going to stay the same. It's going to be 18 after the first application, 18 after the second, and that's what I've shown algebraically. You could, yeah, you could maybe use the numbers, but it's best to work generally, I think. A, B, C, say that the order and then show that it stays the same. Okay, and we can be absolutely convinced it stays the same. In this case, it's 18, so it must be 18 overall. So yeah, I like this, a very original question, and hopefully that makes sense. If you've tried to do lots of applications of change sum, then hopefully you realize at some point, you know what, got to stop here and maybe take a different direction, and hopefully that direction was something like this.